Hello mighty people, welcome back. This video is a part of Pandas beginner to master level series. Till now if you haven't watched our previous Pandas videos, immediately watch those videos mentioned in the description box, then continue from this video. In this video, we are going to learn how to filter the data in a data frame. According to your requirements, we will filter data. Before starting this video, what I would like to say is only a few people have subscribed to our channel. Most of you are watching these videos without subscribing our channel. I request you to please subscribe our channel. If the subscriber count increases, YouTube algorithm will promote our channel to more new people. Then our channel grows automatically. Then we will be motivated to do more such interesting videos. So please subscribe and enable the bell icon. Let us start the video. First of all, on your PC, search for PyCharm. Open PyCharm. If there is no PyCharm on your PC, please watch the video mentioned in the description box. You should download the PyCharm and set up as I mentioned in that video and learn PyCharm basics. Okay, so this is a code we need to discuss in this video. So first of all, import pandas as PD. If there is no pandas installed, then in the packages, search for pandas and install. Here there will be an install button. Click on it. Then pandas will be installed on your PC. Then import pandas as PD. Now here I am creating data frame using Excel file. The link of the Excel file is mentioned in the description box. You can download that Excel file and paste that Excel file in the project destination folder in this way. Now here on the line number 4, put a breakpoint in order to pause the execution at that point. At the empty space, right click on it, then click on debug. See, flow of execution has paused at this line number 4. DF is created. In the threads and variable section, you can find data frame. Here click on view as data frame. See, it is a data frame created from Excel file. Okay, now we are going to filter the data using this data frame. Okay, first of all we will learn how to filter a column. For example, we want to find the products where its unit price is less than 500. Then close the data frame. Here right click on the empty space, click on evaluate expression, or here adjacent to the threads and variables, click on 3 dots, then click on evaluate expression, or you can choose shortcut, click on alt plus F8. Evaluate expression is opened. In that enter df, click on evaluate. Open data frame. So it is a data frame. Now we need to filter the data where unit price is less than 500, right? Then after df, enter a list. In that list again type df, again list. In that select the column name which is unit price, and the condition must be less than 500, right? Then after that, so in this way you need to enter the condition df of unit price less than 500. Click on evaluate expression. Then we have data frame. See, unit price will be less than 500 always, because we have selected only products whose unit price is less than 500. How this condition is working? Do you want to see what actually happened here? So clear everything. Df of unit price less than 500. So it is a condition we have entered in that list, right? So execute only this condition. Evaluate. You will get true or false. Open as series. See, at row number 0 it is false. At row number 1 it is true. So based on the index and its corresponding boolean value, only true values will be executed as output. So here see 0th index has false and 3rd index has false. In the output df, the 0th index and 3rd index will be missing. Let us find it. Then select everything, Ctrl plus A, Ctrl plus X, cut, enter df list, paste that condition in this. Click on evaluate, view as data frame. See, 0th index and 3rd index has gone because 0th index and 3rd index has false, because the condition has failed at that rows. So those rows are missing. So only the true values are executed as output in that filtering condition. So it is how it functions, or it is how the internal functionality happens using conditions in data frame. It is nothing but a boolean indexing or boolean condition, boolean filtering. So it is how you need to filter a column value based on boolean conditions. Now let us see another thing. If you want to find the data where product is laptop, so select this, evaluate. So df of product equal to laptop. So here I am using double equal to condition to check only exactly laptop. Click on evaluate expression, open view as data frame. See, here the product will be laptop only. So it is how you need to execute less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, just equal to conditions. See, now let us see quantity. Let us see less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2, right? See, click on evaluate. Click on view as data frame. So quantity will be 2 or 1, because we have selected only less than or equal to 2. For example, if you want only greater than 3, evaluate. See, there will be no quantity less than 3 here, less than or equal to 3, because We have selected greater than 3. So it is how you need to check greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to conditions for filtering the data. Now we know that order date is, first of all open this data frame, actual data frame. Here we have order date. There are 2024 and 25, 2 years data. Now I want to select only 24th year data. Then what we need to do? Open evaluate expression, alt plus F8. Here df of order date, right? Order date dot dt dot year. dt, you don't know dt, right? dt is a date time. It will convert to date time dot year. If you click on evaluate and evaluate series, see here from this 2024-11-11, because we have selected dt dot year to extract date. So I want to filter the data where year belongs to 2024. So df of order date, right? Order date dot dt dot year. Year that must be equal to 2024, right? 2024. Click on evaluate, click on view as data frame. See, the order date will be belongs to only 24th year, 2024, not 2025. So it is how you need to filter date time column. Okay, now let us see multiple conditions. Open the actual data frame. Okay, now let us filter only product belongs to laptop and unit price less than 300. Let us see. Then open evaluate expression, alt plus F8, df of df. Here we need two conditions, right? Then enter two brackets and bracket and bracket for two conditions. In the first bracket we need to enter first condition, which is df of product is laptop, right? Product double equal to laptop string. And in the second bracket of after and enter another condition. What is that? Unit price must be less than 500, right? df of unit price less than 500. So click on evaluate expression, click on view as data frame. See, here you can find product only laptop and unit price will be less than 500. So it is how you need to use multiple conditions for filtering the data. If you have more than one condition, for example, now delivery status pending. So we want to find laptops whose unit price is less than 500 and delivery state pending. So after the second condition, enter one more and enter one more bracket. In that df of delivery status, right? Delivery status double equal to pending, right? Pending. Click on evaluate, click on view as data frame. See, only here we got only two rows because product belongs to laptop, unit price less than 500 and delivery status pending. So it is how you need to use multiple conditions to filter the data. Okay, till now we have seen multiple conditions using only and, right? Now let us use another boolean operators like logical operators like and or not, that way. So df of, first of all let us learn not is nothing but inversion condition, right? Okay, first of all let us find whose product is laptop. Data whose product is laptop. Product equal to laptop, right? See, it is a data where product is laptop. Now I don't want laptop, I want all the data except laptop. Then we can negate this using not symbol. So select this condition, cut, Ctrl plus X, enter bracket, paste. So in the bracket we have put product equal to laptop, right? Then between this bracket and the list, here enter wavelet tilde operator. This operator will negate the condition, means this will exclude this laptop. This excludes the rows where product belongs to laptop. Click on evaluate, open data frame. See, here we have got all the products except laptop. What happened internally? I think many of you have confused here, right? I will give the clarity, just wait. Here, remove this condition. Till now you have understood this one, right? How to find the product equal to laptop. So this will give true or false, you know, right? So 0th index and first index has true values, right? So using tilde operator, here in front of df I will put this tilde wavelet operator, I will execute it. See, I forgot to put the brackets. So using this tilde operator, we will previously 0 and first index has true, right? Now we will get false there. See, 0 and first index has false and remaining was true. Why? Because this tilde or wavelet operator will negate, invert true to false, false to true, yes to no, no to yes, in that way. So it will invert the boolean logic. So true will become false, false will become true. So it is what happened internally. So control everything, Control A, Control X, df bracket paste. So click on evaluate expression and click on view as data frame. See, actually laptop was at the index 0 and 1. So we got true. See, laptop was at the index 0 and 1. We got true. So after using tilde operator, 0th index and first index got false. That is why here we got only second and third index, because 0th and first index belongs to laptop, right? They were excluded. So it is how internal functionality will happen using this negate operator. Okay, using this I want to make multiple filtering. First of all, open this original data frame. Now I want to select data whose product is laptop or delivery status is pending and unit price less than 500. Okay, I want three conditions, right? First bracket, second bracket, third bracket. Here in the first bracket I want OR, so I will enter single operator. Here I will enter single operator. See, in the first bracket I want df of product is laptop, right? In the second condition, delivery status pending, right? In the third condition, we want df of unit price less than 100, right? 500. So click on evaluate. See, we got 60 rows. Here for sure the product will be laptop or delivery status is pending. See, here product is not laptop, it is smartphone. Why? Because it is the result of OR function. OR function is what? OR function is for pending, delivery status pending. The smartphone will have delivery status pending. See, that is why we got this smartphone here, because OR functionality is for product equal to laptop or delivery status equal to pending. So if any of this is true, it will come into the result. And condition. So here you will get the price will be less than 500. For every delivery status is pending, the price will be less than 500. You can see here 651 price is greater than 500, right? Why? Because and functionality is just for delivery status pending and unit price 500. So this and functionality will applicable for only these two conditions, or functionality will applicable only for these two conditions. So the operator will operate on adjacent conditions. That's it. I hope you got the clarity. Let's close and now let us learn some more. Membership operator, right? Like yes. Okay, first of all open the data frame. Okay, now let us see payment method in debit card or PayPal. Okay, what I want to say is df payment method is in a list. Here we can use membership operator. Like I want to check payment method. If payment method is available in a list of my required elements, like I want PayPal or net banking. See, I want to evaluate it. Click on evaluate. Here you will get true or false. It is what happened here. I will explain. See, open the original data frame. See, what is the condition? Payment method must be in the PayPal or net banking. Where is the PayPal? Net banking. See, 0th index is net banking. So we got 0 true. And PayPal, where is the PayPal? Yeah, here. For 5th index we got PayPal. So for 5th index we will get true. So it is how if any of the payment method matches these two, it will be true. So we want to filter the data where we are matching these conditions. Then enter df list and paste that conditions in it. Click on evaluate. Click on data frame. See, here first one has false, right? So first index has missed from the result because the payment method is only net banking and PayPal. You can find them. So it is how you need to filter the data where any of the column elements matches or find or available in a given or your required list of elements. So it is how you need to do. Now let us combine these queries. What I want to say is, now I want shipping city is a Portroy, Michaelberg or New Diane and delivery status cancelled. Then what we will do here, there will be two objects, two tuples. First tuple is for first condition, delivery status equal to cancelled, and second tuple for shipment city, it must be in a given list of 3 elements, right? So it is how it is. And I want to find OR conditions. That is why I have entered single quote. Now select this data and evaluate expression. Open evaluate expression. See, evaluate view data frame. Here you will find delivery status cancelled or shipment city is in a given list. Here delivery status is not pending. Why? Because shipment city is given list. What is it? Shipment city New Diane. It is in our given list, right? That is why it has appeared in the result. So it is how you need to combine multiple filtering logics using operators and conditions in order to meet the requirement of the project. Now let us see string matching. So what I want to say is, if open the actual data frame, see here customer name brand Murray, it is a string, right? I want to find all the customers whose name starts with a capital alphabet A. So let us see how to do that. So we need to find, so open evaluate expression, df of customer name, right? Customer name, click evaluate. So I am first of all I am taking the series of only this customer name column. Okay, close it. Now I want to convert it into string. So I am using str and I want to match that starting alphabet, right? Then starts with, I am using customer name dot str dot starts with capital alphabet A. So it will give true or false, as you know, boolean result, right? And control cut df of paste. See, I want to see the data frame. See, these are all the customers whose customer name is starting with capital alphabet A. So it is how you need to match the string records and filter the rows where you met the string matching condition. So it is how we are using starts with. Then we can use ends with also. Here I want to see just if small a is present in customer name or not. So in order to do so, you can set contains A. Click on evaluate expression. C. Open data frame. There is small a present in every of this row. Here there is no 12th index, right? Why? Let us verify. So what is the 12th name? 12th name is Eric Bird. There is no small a. That is why there is no 12th row in this result, because it doesn't contain small alphabet a. Okay. Then what is about the case sensitivity? So if you want to see whether capital G is present in the name or not starting with just capital G, then enter small g, enter case equal to false, open data frame. See, in every of this data, there will be either small g or capital G. So because we are using case insensitive searching. So it is how you need to use string columns. Now, for example, if you want to project only few columns like customer name and product, sorry, I forgot to enter a list, one more list, enter a list, click on evaluate expression, open data frame. See, all the customer names will contain small g or capital G, and I'm viewing only 2 columns. So it is how you need to match the conditions and project only required columns for viewing. And one more thing I forgot to explain here is between. So between is nothing but, for example, if you want to find the products whose price is between 300 to 500, so df of unit price dot between left. For the left I will enter 300, for the right I will enter 500. Click. So you are getting boolean indices. Okay. Enter df list and paste the condition. Evaluate expression. Open viewers data frame. See, unit price will be in the range of 300 to 500 only, because I have used 300 and 500. That's it. For example, if you want to find the quantity between 2 and 3, let us see it is inclusive or exclusive. You may get this doubt, right? Quantity, open. See, 1 and 3 are included. So this between search is inclusive search. Left and right values will be included in the result. So you can use accessing data types. In the previous video you have learned accessing rows with lock and unlock, right? Using that lock and unlock also you can filter the data. For example, if you want to check category whether gadgets or not, then you need to use the condition df of category equal to gadgets, and you need to use dot lock to access the rows. And if you want only one column, then you need to enter the column like this. Select this and open evaluate expression. See, evaluate. So these are the customers whose purchase category is gadgets. That's it. So for example, if you want to access customer name where delivery status is pending and quantity greater than 2, here there are 2 conditions, right? Delivery status equal to pending and quantity greater than 2, both must be there. That is why here we have and. Then use df dot lock, then 2 brackets, 2 conditions with and condition. So first condition is delivery status equal to pending, and next condition is quantity greater than 2. They must be joined with and operator to get both true. And I am projecting, I want to see only customers. So customers who are meeting the given conditions. So I am writing the query in this way. Open evaluate expression, click on evaluate via series. These are all the customers whose delivery status is pending and quantity greater than 2. Okay. Now if you want to combine many filtering conditions, like see here I want category electronics and product must contain laptop. LAP string must be there in the row values, and quantity total price is greater than 4000. So it is how you need to enter the conditions. In df, 3 conditions with 3 brackets, and first condition has logical and, second condition has logical or. So I am selecting this data and opening evaluate expression. Click on evaluate. Open data frame. See, these are all the conditions which matches the category electronics. See, category electronics. But here we got category gadgets. Why? Because the product might contain product contains laptop, or total price greater than 4000. See, I think there are no products whose product total price is greater than 4000. Okay, so it is a basic idea I want to convey you how to filter the data using multiple conditions, using different operators and different conditions, different approaches to filter the data. So if you don't get any clarity, please watch this video once again and practice thoroughly. Download the dataset, write the code in Python using evaluate expression, evaluate code fragments, and analyze the results. If you want to become a Munstack developer, learning MongoDB is very essential. So we have already made a MongoDB beginner to advanced level course for free. So please watch it. And so if you learned something interesting in this video, please hit the like button. And till now, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and enable the bell notifications. Thank you for watching.